कितनों को दिए हैं, कितनों को नहीं दिए हैं, और जितनों को नहीं दिए हैं उनको कब देंगे. This is very important, sir. और सर मैं lastly, sir, I would like to know from Honorable Minister Saab is that, sir, does the state government has any data with which they can give the details as to how many households do we have in the state of Telangana, how many households are below poverty, and how many ration cards are there? क्या हमारे सर्वे से ज्यादा है, कम है, या उसके बराबर है? And lastly, sir, I want to know from Honorable Minister Saab is that क्या गवर्नमेंट कुछ ऐसा सर्वे करी या फाइंड आउट करी है कि कितने बोगस राशन कार्ड्स हैं? How many ration cards are bogus? Because what is happening, sir, the bogus ration card people are enjoying the ration, and the real eligible and the needy people are getting denied because they do not have this food security card, sir. So I would like to have a very specific reply to this, sir.